Good afternoon, everyone. Today I will be presenting on understanding psychotherapy, homicide, and sexual offending in forensic psychology, with a focus how the concept apply to the nation law enforcement. This presentation will first explain the core concepts: psychotherapy, homicide type, sexual offending mechanisms, and the drug types. They apply this idea to nation law enforcement using a real case study. Finally, I summarize the key lesson. Psychotherapy is often as using a Robert Hertz psychotherapy checklist, a reserve, or PCLR, the measure that search out subtle calm, multiple lives, lack of empathy, impulsivity, and antisocial behavior. Psychotherapists often show emotion and present disgrace for the social norms. Homicides can be divided into both types. Instrumental homicide is a plan and a goal driven, for the example, killing to the silent witness or the again a money. This repetitive homicides, on the other hand, is a manipulative, impulsive, and emotionally changed, such a killing in a fit of rage. Prescriptive parts are more often linked to instrumental homicides because of the day close nature. Sexual offending often involve psychological mechanism of may use compulsive, thus convincing them victims wanted it or the that is, while harmful, other use unsexual, almost assaults as a way to demand and control, and a more extreme case. Saddam's presence where of the reverse pressure from victim suffering. The drug types refer to the three overly personality traits: psychotherapy, Niskin, and Menilism. Psychotherapy involves closeness, Alex or Ramos, Nissim about the anxiety and elements is a manipulates and derived together. There, it's often presides, explore, and above river. In a Malaysian forensic psychology, is immensely important for a law enforcement to help the profiling of the asset arrays guided investigation stage and supporting court process. Let's look at a case that is that illustrates this. One notable case in Silvakuma Subaya in a Malaysia series rapes constitutes in Canada for the sexual assaulting over the 30 women with special under a more victim. He was deployed back to the Malaysia 2017, sparking public fear. His beer, his behavior show clear prosthetic deaths, manipulative, leg removes, and a persistent often. In the case of the profiling with Curly by investigating tricks such and stadiums and manipulation, police clock he's a braver, patient, and he reads of ending profiling helps investigation regret how they often make act risk assessment to like the PCLR and HCR20 are used to evaluate to likelihoods of re-opting in subsia in case they are too high, the high risk for the sexual redisim regarding monitoring and private decisions. For investigators, states there is key invite in viewing and view interview Prescott parts requires a card. They are skilled manipulators and evidence collection must focus on not only the phys- physical proof but also the patterns of the concerns and psychological control forensic psychology strange there's a strangers. In court, psychologists, evaluation, and aspects of testimony play a major role. They help the judge understand the often matter stake reach a level and promoted of all the reputation in case of the psychotherapy reputation is often a limit which influence strengthens this decision. To the summarize, Pascal Prabhupada explains present a wallet and metaphoric before distinct between instrumental and reactive homicides, clarify of the motivation. Sexual often avoids conjunctive distortions and symptoms, and the drug strike depend on the understanding the option of psychology. For Malaysian law enforcement apply forensic psychology and means a better profiling, a risk assessment, investigation, and court procedures. The Selva Kumar case show how psychology insight can ease the public safety. In conclusion, forensic psychology bridges theory and the practice by understanding psychotherapies, homicide, and sexual offending. Law enforcement in Malaysia can strengthen investigation, protect communities, and deliver justice more effectively. So, thank you.